Hello students, I am going to explain the second important method in measures of central tendency or measures of averages, that is we called as a normally median. In previous presentations we have completed all the three series of mean, individuals, discrete and continuous series. Now this is the second method, important methods of the measures of central tendency is median. In this part also we have the three types of series, that is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Today I just explain the individual series of median. So this is a basic as compared to the mean. This is also very easy and simple concept. This is the formula for calculations of median in individual series. Median equal to size of n plus 1 items. So what is n? Given as number of frequency given in the questions. That is is not total. Whenever is a individual series is given, the n is small m. This is not the total. That is number of frequency. When given as a caps n, we called as a total of frequency. Is total of frequency. Yes, that is only the number of frequency given. For example, see, in questions given as a 5 numbers, 5 variables or 10 variables, 8 variables, whatever the given the variables we called as a n plus 1 divided by 2 second items. So in this part we have to be the explain the questions numbers based on this formula. I am going to start the first problems. Calculate the medians value of the following data. Calculate the medians value of the following data. Wages of 5 employees are 1200, 900, 1280, 950, 1020. In medians individual series, whenever going to be the calculate, the data may not be given in the ascending or descending orders. It may be the mixed, that not to be the in order systems. So first we have to be the orders the solutions. The data must be arranged in ascending or descending order, and then we have to be apply the formulas, the medians. So first arrange the data based on this. These are data given in the questions. 5 implies. So this not to be order 1000 to first 1200 is there. Second 900, 1280, 950, 1280. When you arrange the data in ascending orders, this is based on the orders. First 900. This is the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. This ascending order 900, 950, 1020, 1200, 1280. This is the 5 employees is a given. Total number of n is equal to 5. So when you going to be apply the formula, median is equal to n plus 1, n plus 1. When you go to the n, 5 plus 1 divided by 2 second items. When you calculate this, these are questions in given, this is the odd numbers, not to be the even. This is a simple, when you add 1, automatically will come as a even number. 6 divided by 2. So it will comes answers as a 3. Given in the questions is there. This is a formula. When you calculate, apply this equation, 5 numbers n is equal to 5. Apply this 5 plus 1, 6, this part, and then we get the answers is a 6 divided by 2 will get as a 3. Third items, when you go to the questions, the third items we called as a 1020. This is the median of size of third item is 1020. That's all. This is the very easy and simple calculations of methods of simple calculations of median. Just you have to be the numbers, how many numbers in the given the variables questions, count down and then add 1 divided by 2. This is a very simple. N is the number of frequency, 1 given in the questions and divided by 2. Whatever may be the data givens. When you given the 7 plus 1 divided by 2, you will get as a 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, fourth items. It will comes automatically this is a 1200. When you add these numbers additional, it will comes as a automatic. So whatever may be given as a, straight away you will get as a answers. So because this is the orders we have to be the solved, this is the odd numbers given here, that is the odd numbers. When the variables given is the odd numbers means in number of variables given in odd. For example, this is the only the 5 employees given or 7 employees given, 9 employees is a given. This is the odd numbers variable. When you add this automatically will come as a even numbers. If this will come 8, this will comes as a tens. Automatically we can get the divided, we will get as a exact answers. What about the even numbers? This is the even numbers also given here. Even numbers is the same things, small changes is here. When you calculate these even numbers, find the median value from the following data. In the count the numbers is given as a 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 numbers is given. When you apply this formula, 6 plus 1 automatically will come as a, it will come as a odd numbers. Even numbers நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு டிவைட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஆட் ஆகிடும். ஆட் நம்பர்ஸில் கொடுத்துருந்த நம்பர்ஸ் வேரியபிள்ஸ் கொடுத்துருந்து ப்ளஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஈவன் நம்பராக மாறிடும். ஸோ இது டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் n is equal to 7 is there. So yes, the given as a 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 numbers is there. So first you have to be the arrange the data the based on the previous, that is the same orders. Arrange the data in ascending orders. 700 the first, 800 second, 1000, 1050, 1800, 1200. These orders may be the in ascending order. You can also arrange the in descending order. First you arrange the 1200, then 1800, 1050, 1000, 800, 700. Whatever may be the data. The next the formula is the median equal to size of n plus 1 items, n plus first items. When you go to the questions, that is the 6 variables is a given, total n is equal to 6. N is a given is a 6. So apply this 6 plus 1 divided by 2. So it will comes 7 divided by 2. It will comes 3.5 items. 3.5 items. So how to find these 3.5 items? This is a question marks. This is a questions mark. 3.5 items வந்திருக்குது. When you calculate these questions, it will comes as a 3.5 item. When you calculate these 3.5 items, so just you have to be the apply this third and fourth. Median is the size of third and fourth items. You take as a third and fourth items. This is the 1 and this is the second, this is the third and this is the fourth and this is the fifth and this is the sixth. When you calculate these 3.5th, you have to take both these formula, that is the both the numbers third and fourth items. You take as a third and fourth item. Thousands is there and 1050. Add both the numbers divided by 2. You will get as a 1050. When you add thousands plus 1000, 2050 divided by 2. You will get as the answers as a 1025. This is the normal method. When you come these numbers as a 8 plus 1 divided by 2, you will get as a 9 divided by 2, 4.5. You will get as a answer as a 4.5. So when you come this 4.5, you have to take as a fourth and fifth items, 1 2 3 4, fourth and fifth items. You take these both the items, add these numbers and divided by 2, you will get as a median. So median means middle value of this frequency. So normally we call it as a median. When you go to the traffic, when you go to the in other places, we call it as a median. Median means in middle persons we call it as a medians. So we have to take the exact median of these problems is called as a medians. So third, when you come these even numbers, when you come this is a given in the questions is a 6 numbers is a given. When you add numbers additional 1, it will comes automatically 7. You have to be divided by 2 based on the formula. You will get as a 3.5. So 3.5 will means the third items is there. What about the 0.5? So we have to take both the numbers, the third and fourth items, given in the questions, divided by 2. You will equally divided. So automatically will come as a 1025. This is a basic and simple concept on the medians in the individual series. In the next presentations we explain the continuous, that is a discrete series of medians. Thank you.